The exact same process took place in almost all the gypsies who settled mainly in Eastern and Central Europe. Indicatively, we can mention some other cases of creating new gypsy musical codes. The gypsy clarinet player Salim Sesler is a typical sample of gypsy music of Turkey, where the gypsy element coexists with the Ottoman, Arabic and Asia Minor. Also, the gypsy clarinet player Ivo Papazov highlights the mixing of the gypsy temperament with the Bulgarian Thracian music. The brass band orchestras focusing on the southern former Yugoslavia is perhaps the most typical example of gypsy music, which became known almost worldwide through cinema. The film of Kusturica, Time of the Gypsies, made the world of the Balkan brass band famous, where, depending on the exact place of performance, the gypsy element communicates with either the Macedonian culture or the Serbian or the Greek. Finally, the gypsy clarinet player from southern Greece, Vasilis Saleas, represents the peculiar mix of Greek gypsy music culture. From these examples, we can verify the previous theory, where the gypsy populations, depending on the historical events, assimilated the local elements of the new place, on which they added their own texture and color in search of the new sound code through which they will be expressively satisfied. This search continues even today, where gypsy musicians are the main pioneers and experimenters in the renewal of musical genres, being the first to listen to the new historical and social data. This constant search is perhaps the trademark of the gypsy race. Although most of them today have abandoned the nomadic way of life, the instinct for change and movement, instead of being translated geographically, is fulfilled through music and new elements of creation, with history constantly repeating itself.